Hi. In this video, we will learn how to create area charts in Excel.
Let's look at creating an area chart. So here we got some product sales for some products for 5 years. And we want to create an area chart like this to depict this data. So let's first select the data like this. So we'll take the year headings also and select like this. And then we go to insert, and under the chart types, we select insert line or area chart, and then we down click, and then we need to go to 2D area charts and the second option, stacked area chart. And we got our chart inserted like this. Now let's change the colors of these products. So we'll start from the lowest one and change the color to a dark blue. Maybe this one. Or we'll go with this dark blue over here. And the next one, the orange one, sand glow. Let's change it to a lighter blue. And eco wave, let's select that and select a more lighter blue for that. And then radiant pulse, let's select something more lighter. And finally for the pure bliss, let's select a more light blue. So basically now we got the colors for the different products. And now we'll select the chart and we'll change the font to Arial and size 9, font size 9. And also I select the chart area, go to format chart area and remove the fill, no fill, and the border, no line. And now I will change the chart title. So let's say I could actually just copy this heading from here for the title. And I will paste it. And I will make it a blue color font. And bold. So that's basically how we can create a area chart and then do the formatting.
Thanks for watching.